Good morning, everyone. From today onwards, we will start a new subject called Rural Development and Cooperation. And our topic for today's discussion is rural development in India. As we all know, India is a country of villages. More than 50% of our population reside in rural area. Therefore, rural development usually relates to the method of enhancing the quality of life and financial well-being of rural people. Traditionally, rural development is centered on the misuse of land intensive natural resources such as forestry and agriculture. But today, increasing urbanization and change in global production networks have transferred the nature of rural area. Today, rural development still remains the core of overall development of a country. It has become more than two-thirds of country's people is dependent on agriculture for their livelihood, and one-third of rural India is still below the poverty line. Therefore, it is important for the government to be productive and provide enough facility to upgrade their standard of living. Therefore, we can say that rural development is a complete term that concentrates on the action taken for development of rural area, improve the village economy. Now we will see the importance of rural development. Why is it important to study rural development? See, rural development means an action plan for economic and social upliftment of rural area. It aims at improving the quality of life of people living in village. It focuses on the action for development of areas that are lagging behind in overall development of, of village economy. As we all know that more than 50% of our population lives in rural area. They are always lagging behind the overall progress of economy. So if the area is developed, they will not be left out. They will not feel left out, and they'll be part of overall development. And in rural area, the agriculture is still the major source of livelihood. More than two-thirds of India's population depend on it. So the development of agriculture will contribute to the betterment of rural area and rural people. Also, these people, they do not have access to basic facilities of life like proper meal, health facility, sanitization, etc. So through rural development, all these facilities can be provided to these people, and they can contribute in overall, this can contribute in overall development of an economy. Also, with the help of rural development, poverty will be removed to some extent, as people will be more aware, more educated. They will be more skilled, so it will be easy for them to get employed or get a job somewhere. In a way, it will reduce the poverty level in rural area. So here are some of the importance of rural development. Now we will discuss the objective of rural development. See, the main objective composed by the government in sixth five-year plan for rural developments are: first is to improve productivity and the wages of rural people, to guarantee increased and quick employment possibilities, to mobilize, to demolish unemployment and notable decline in underemployment, to guarantee to the increase the standard of living of underprivileged population, and last one is to provide the basic needs such as elementary education, health care, clean drinking water, and rural roads, etc. So these were some of the objectives of rural development. We will discuss more about it in upcoming lectures. Thank you.